Leading a team during a stressful situation takes a careful balance between patience and assertion. The ability to quickly command attention while remaining focused and efficient takes practice, but there are some techniques that can help. First, it's important to identify yourself as the leader. This will help to clarify who should provide instruction and empower yourself into accepting the role. You may say something as simple as, "Okay, I will be leading this resuscitation." Next, identify the situation. While it may seem obvious to some, it may not always be immediately clear to everyone what's going on. In order to focus everyone's attention, it's useful to explicitly identify the situation. For example, the patient is now in cardiac arrest. Finally, identify specific roles. Clearly defined roles can help people focus on specific tasks during a stressful situation. Now, instead of feeling overwhelmed by every aspect of the situation, "Oh no, my patient is dying," a person can focus their attention in a useful way, like, "I need to place an IV." Following these 3 simple principles can help you provide better leadership during a stressful resuscitation scenario.
So I hope you liked this video. Absolutely make sure to check out the course this video was taken from and to register for a free trial account which will give you access to selected chapters of the course. If you want to learn how MedMastery can help you become a great clinician, make sure to watch the About MedMastery video. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.